This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Christy Rucker. Open house Saturday, June 14, 1 to 3 p.m. Welcome to 5477 Zion Ridge Road, a stunning home in the desirable Tanasi Shores neighborhood of Tellico Village that truly lives up to the phrase better than new construction. Completed in March 2024 by respected Marblestone Construction, this thoughtfully designed home blends clean modern style with exceptional craftsmanship and upgrades you won't find in a typical new build. Offering 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the main level, and the 4th bedroom/bonus room has its own full bath and closet, creating a versatile space ideal for a guest suite, home office, or private retreat. The home sits on a beautifully manicured lot with full irrigation and thick fescue sod, made even more striking by a stately paver driveway that adds both charm and a polished, high-end appearance. Inside, clean lines and abundant natural light set the tone in the open concept living space. The main level is finished with premium luxury vinyl plank flooring that brings warmth and elegance to every room. A floor-to-ceiling stone propane fireplace anchors the great room, flanked by custom built-in cabinetry that provides both style and function. The kitchen is the heart of the home, outfitted with top-of-the-line stainless steel G appliances, including a propane range, quartz countertops, a large center island, and a designer tile backsplash that adds texture and interest. Adjacent to the dining area, a private rear composite deck provides a quiet place to unwind, overlooking the large peaceful backyard. Step down from the deck to find a second stamped concrete patio, ideal for grilling and entertaining, surrounded by a spacious flat lawn bordered by natural beauty. This outdoor space is a true retreat, quiet, private, and filled with the sounds of nature. The primary suite is tucked away for privacy and relaxation, featuring a tray ceiling and a spa-like bath that feels like a true sanctuary. Enjoy a frameless glass walk-in shower, a freestanding soaking tub, striking tile work, and a generously sized walk-in closet. On your way to the garage, you'll pass a functional and stylish drop zone, complete with handsome wood trim accents, perfect for organizing everyday items with a designer's touch. Practical features are abundant, including a large laundry room with extra cabinetry, a fully insulated garage with an EV charging outlet and separate closet, and a large storage area accessible from the upstairs bonus room. Even more storage is available in the full-height crawl space, which offers an exceptional amount of room, including a poured concrete pad, ideal for storing seasonal items, tools, or even conversion into a workshop, hobby room, or man cave. Every detail has been considered, every finish thoughtfully chosen. 5477 Zion Ridge Road isn't just a home, it's a showcase of quality, comfort, and elevated